In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly insert special characters into your Google Doc. Whether you're working on a project that requires accents, symbols, or any other special characters, knowing how to easily add these can vastly improve the clarity and professionalism of your document. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open up your Google Doc. If you're like me, you might already have it open and ready, or perhaps you're starting fresh. Once your document is up on your screen, identify the exact spot where you want the special character to appear. Place your cursor precisely at that location. Your cursor acts like a GPS. BS. Placing it accurately ensures that the character pops up exactly where you need it. Next, we're heading to the menu bar to introduce something magical. Hover your mouse to find the Insert option. It's usually nestled between View and Format, making it impossible to miss. Click on Insert, and a drop-down menu will present itself. From there, you'll see an option labeled Special Characters. Go ahead and click on that, and watch as a new window opens up, revealing a plethora of characters waiting for selection. Now here comes one of the handiest features, the search bar at the top. If you already know the name of the character you wish to insert, let's say an N with tilde or an E with acute, just type that into the search bar. Be as specific as possible. This search capability saves you from sifting through hundreds of characters, streamlining your workflow, and making the process much more efficient. Upon typing your desired character in the search bar, you should see it appear among the options below. Now, it's as simple as scrolling and scanning through until you spot it. Once you see your desired character, whether it's E, A, U, or another, just click on it. With that one click, watch as the character seamlessly inserts itself right where your cursor is, like magic. It's such a smooth process that you might find yourself inserting characters for fun. We've covered everything you need to know, but here's a little tip. If you frequently use certain characters, they will appear under the recently used section, making future insertions even quicker. Now, you can ensure your documents reflect exactly what you intend to express, from accents for foreign languages to specific mathematical symbols. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to enhance your document with special characters in Google Docs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature. Happy typing, and see you in the next